You're welcome back. In this section, we'll be looking at IAS 1 on presentation of financial statements. On this IFRS, we will cover the following. 1. The objective and scope of IAS 1. 2. The financial statement and its general features. And 3. The structure and content of financial statement. And firstly, let's look at a brief history of this standard. This standard, IAS 1, was originally issued by the International Accounting Standard Committee in September 1997. It replaced IAS 1 on disclosure of accounting policies, which was issued in 1975, IAS 5 on information to be disclosed in financial statement, which was originally issued in 1977, and also IAS 13 on presentation of current assets and current liabilities, which was approved in 1979. In December 2003, the IASB issued a revised IAS 1, and in September 2007, the IASB issued an amended IAS 1, which included an amendment to the presentation of owner changes in equity and comprehensive income, and a change in terminology in the titles of financial statements. In June 2011, the IASB amended IAS 1 to improve how items of other comprehensive income should be presented. Now let's move on to the objective and scope of IAS 1. The objective of IAS 1 is to prescribe the basis for presentation of general purpose financial statements to ensure comparability both with the entity's financial statement of previous period and with the financial statement of other entities. The scope of IAS 1 is to apply the standard in preparing and presenting general purpose financial statements in accordance with IFRS. This standard, IAS 1, does not set out the recognition, measurement, and disclosure requirements for specific transactions and other events. Also, this standard does not apply to the structure and content of condensed interim financial statements prepared in accordance with IAS 34 on interim financial reporting. In the next video, we will take a critical look into financial statements and its general features. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.